Hi all. Today I'm going to give you just idea about arc shock absorbers. So this is my XUV 500, right? So I recently changed arc shock absorber for all four wheels actually. Okay. So I did it in Hyderabad. So actually, so my review will be like it says I have done like 500 kilometers on this. So after changing these shock absorbers, my my view on this is like I feel a lot of difference actually. I'm really happy. Supreet from Hyderabad helped me to change the shock absorbers. I bought it from him actually. So coming to review, so you can see I have put alloys on this and I changed all four including the shock absorbers in the front. So coming to review and my I mean the performance of the vehicle has been increased and it has been very good actually. Previously the body roll and the third sound used to come in the rear shock absorbers, but recently I traveled on the highway and also in the rural I mean village areas where the road was very bad. So the suspension was really good and I didn't feel any the third sound, and the body roll was I mean it was like a huge difference. I really feel now the vehicle is stable and very well balanced, even in innings. If you see, it's really very good actually. So what I feel is this is definitely a worth for the money. I recommend all you people to change it if you want. I'll just show you the shock absorbers. Put it on the front wheel. Yes, that's it. Thanks, Supreet, for your suggestions. Yeah.